I beg to mention, my lord, item number 10, my lord.
Item 10.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Here, my lord, we'll file our reply, my lord. So we need some time, my lord. I'm for respondent. My lord.
You are for the respondent.
Yes,
Have you taken consent from the other side?
yes, my lord. This morning only informed the legal.
As prayed for by Mr.
K. Dubey, my lord.
K.
Dubey.
You are K. Dubey.
Yes,
K. Dubey, learned counsel for the respondent with consent from the petitioner. List this matter
after 2 weeks. my lord.
after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Yes.
My lord, item number 25, my lord. Here, my lord,
A
I'm
rejoinder.
here, my lord, I am for petitioner, my lord.
Were you supposed to file a rejoinder?
No, my lord, we'll take fresh steps, my lord. Item number 20,
Order matter, you wait.
my lord.
Order matters don't make mention.
Okay,
Wait for your turn. Yes. Any more mention? Come
and,
this side.
pardon, my lord, item number 4 also, my lord. Here we need to file rejoinder, my lord.
Mr. Penging, have you been informed? In item 4, I see your name. Are you there?
I'm there.
You haven't taken his consent. Why are you making a mention without taking consent from the other side?
My lord, as because he will be in the court, I
No,
will,
no, you cannot presume that. You should take consent before making a mention.
my lord.
This court takes whatever you say on the face of it, you are saying you have taken consent. Mr.
Yes.
Penging is right there.
Yes,
Any objection?
No,
As prayed for by Mr. K. Dubey, learned counsel for the petitioner with consent from the other side, list this matter after
2 weeks.
2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
back to the. Back to mention item number 35, hearing matter, madam.
35?
35.
Yes.
Can this be married after 2 weeks? In the court?
34 and 35 are connected.
Yes, connected. ma'am.
You are for the petitioner.
In 35, I am for the appellant.
Have you informed the other counsels?
Mr. Boro, in fact, he has not come. He's a Guwahati-based lawyer. I will inform him also.
As prayed for by Mr. Deepanging, learned counsel for the petitioner, list this matter after
2 weeks.
2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. It is mentioned that Mr. R. Bori, learned counsel, appearing in item 34, connected RFA, is not in station today. Stop. 34 and 35.
Obliged.
May I, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 40.
40.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes. Yes.
Lordship, kindly matter may be fixed after 1 week.
You are for?
Titaba, I'm on behalf of Titaba.
As prayed for by MS so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, list this matter
After 1 week.
after 1 week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obliged.
Next.
May I, my lord? My lord, item number 36, my lord.
30,
6, my lord.
36 and 37 is together.
Yes, my lord. Here I am on behalf of S. Tai, my lord.
S.
Tai.
Yes, what do you want?
Matter may be list after 2 weeks, my lord.
Why?
My lord, the learned counsel is out of station, my lord. He has some personal
Who is
difficulties.
out of station?
S. Tai, my lord.
S.
Tai.
He is for
Respondent, my lord.
respondent. Have you
Yes.
taken consent from the other side?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
You have taken consent.
Yes, my lord.
Mr.
T. Kamchi.
So-and-so, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the respondent,
Yes, my lord.
with consent from the other side, seeks accommodation in the matter on the ground that the arguing counsel for the respondent is out of station.
Yes, ma'am.
Stop. Prayer allowed. List this matter
After 2 weeks, my lord.
after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Much obliged.
Take the name, huh? His name. Yes.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3 on behalf of K. Lolan.
Item
Lordship.
number
3. Here, Lordship, the conducting counsel could not appear due to personal difficulties, Lordship.
who
I have taken consent from the other party.
you are for respondent.
Petitioner.
You're for petitioner. But your highway was supposed to file an affidavit. You wait for a while. Let us see. I shall
Lordship, the conducting council is out of station.
understood, Miss Counsel, but it appears that the highway department is yet to file their affidavit. So let us see how much time the highway wants to file their affidavit. So wait for the matter to be called. Just wait.
Consent has already been taken, Lordship. Consent has already been taken.
Is there some difficulty to understand the language this court is speaking? Is
Okay.
there any difficulty?
Sorry, Lordship.
Please wait for your turn. Yes. Any more mention?
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7 on behalf of S. Bhattacharya.
Have you taken consent from the other side?
Yes.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that Mr. S. Bhattacharya, learned counsel for the petitioner is not in station today. Accordingly, he seeks accommodation with consent from the other side. Prayer allowed, live the matter
3 weeks.
after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Yes,
Much obliged.
call the list. None appears for the matter. None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. Mr. Your name?
Vairam, Your Lordship.
So and so, learned counsel, learned government counsel?
Yes, Your Lordship. 1 and 2, Your Lordship.
Learned government counsel is present. List this matter after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
And item number 2, anybody appearing? You are for the respondent?
Yes, Lordship.
Petitioner is not there. None appears for the applicant when the matter is called. Mr.
V. Jamo for the respondent.
Mr. V. Jamua, learned counsel for the respondent is present. List this matter after
2 weeks.
after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Yes, who is appearing for the highway? Yes, Miss Counsel, item number 3. Who is appearing for the highway? You're appearing? Standing counsel, highway was required to file their counter affidavit. Who appears for the highway, national highway? Mr. Kato?
No, Arsoikia.
Mr. R. Saikia, where is he? Why is he not in court? Anyway, it appears that the counter affidavit which was required to be filed on behalf of the highway is yet to be filed. Stop. List this matter after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obliged, Lordship.
Fine. Objection, have you filed?
Yes, my lord, as per my record, I have filed the affidavit on 3/1/2024, but it is not in the record.
It's not in the record.
So, my lord, I have the allot some time to file
Mr. Counsel, have you filed or you have not filed?
I have filed.
So if you have filed, then I will direct the registry to verify and place the same on record. There's
So,
no question of filing it again, isn't it? If you have filed it, if you have not filed it, then say so and file it. Are you sure or not?
my lord, I
not
have filed
sure.
it is not in the record, so I presume that it is not filed, so I want to file it.
That cannot be. You be
Yeah.
specific about your submission. You see, these are small things. If you have filed the affidavit, say you have filed it. If you have not filed it, say you have not filed it.
I have, as per my
It
record, I have
appears
filed.
that the objection required, Marshwa, delete that. Your name,
N. Tajay.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the respondent seeks 2 weeks' time to file the objection in the matter. Stop. Prayer is not opposed by the petitioner. List this matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next day.
Obliged, my lord.
You have filed an additional affidavit in this matter.
Yes, Lord.
What is this matter?
And also, this is the family dispute. Lord. The family dispute between the private respondent and the petitioner. Lord. Now, what happened, Lord? Earlier we have moved with two criminal petitions. Joint petition. Lord.
This criminal petition is for quashing of
FIR. Lord.
quashing of the FIR. Where is the FIR?
Not single file. Page number.
Today it has come for admission, right?
Lord,
Page number?
17. 17.
Yes. Yes, please.
Last. To the officer in charge, Police Station Narlagan, prayer for FIR against Sri Miching Chium, son of so and so, and the party of 6 kilometer near.
You are for whom?
This is the joint petition, Lord.
Oh, it's a joint
Lord,
petition.
Lord,
So there has been a compromise.
Lord, sir.
All right.
So, Lord, what happened, Lord, sir? This,
15 to 16 groups attacked me at my dwelling house
Lord, sir.
and totally damaged my car. Now, where is the settlement deed?
Lord, sir. Lord, sir, will find in the additional affidavit which has been filed, Lord, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Let's start from page number 6, Lord, sir, the annexer 1, Lord, sir. Only one annexer is there.
Biki Napung is the
Is the complainant, Lord, sir.
complainant.
Lord, sir. And this rest of the members, Lord,
Are
sir,
the
other
accused?
parties are
Are the
accused, Lord, sir.
accused?
Lord, sir. They are the, in fact, Lord, sir, they are the brother-in-law of the complainant, Lord, sir.
Brother-in-law, they're related.
Lord, sir. In fact, Lord, sir, as a matter of fact, Lord, sir, this is the counter affidavit, counter FIR, Lord, sir, filed by the petitioner, Lord, sir, here in. Lord, sir. Earlier, the wife, the elder sister of the accused person, Lord, sir, she has also filed an FIR, Lord, sir, before the concerned police station, Lord, sir. And that has been passed by this honorable court, Lord, sir. As-
And
as
who
per-
has filed the affidavit in the joint application?
All the parties, Lord, sir.
Affidavit is by the complainant, huh?
Lord, sir.
Biki Napung, na?
Lord, sir.
Complainant.
Lord, sir.
All right. Any objection by state?
Since this matter has been settled, my
Your name?
T. Garam, Lord, sir.
Heard Mr. T. Garam, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr.
Jay Singh.
So-and-so Learned PP for the state respondent. Stop. This is a joint application under section 482 of CRPC 1973 for quashing and setting aside the Naharlagun PS case number 249 of 2015, registered under section 147, 149, 452, 427 of the IPC, which are presently pending before the court of the Chief Judicial Magistrate, Capital Complex, UPIA, on the ground that the parties have entered into a settlement, of their dispute. Stop. Heard the parties? Stop. It appears that the complainant and the accused persons are related to each other and have jointly filed this criminal petition wherein the affidavit has been signed by the complainant himself, stating that, as not stating, praying that the FIR filed by the complainant being NLG PS case number 2495015, Vide GR number 787 of 15, pending before the court of CGM, Capital Complex, UPIA, be set aside and quashed. Stop. By filing an additional affidavit, the deed of settlement dated 12th August 2023 entered between the complainant and the accused stroke petitioners is also enclosed and placed before this court. Stop. A perusal of the aforesaid settlement agreement indicates that the parties have settled their differences by the aforesaid settlement deed. Stop. It further appears that the parties are now living peacefully with one another. Stop. In view of the above settlement arrived between the parties, comma, this court for the ends of justice is of the considered view that the aforesaid criminal proceedings be set aside and quashed. Stop. Accordingly, the criminal proceedings being NLGPS case number 249 of 2015, BDGR number 787/2015, along with the FIR is set aside and quashed. Stop. Disposed of.
Deeply obliged.
What is this?
Lordship, this is a joint petition. Lordship.
Joint petition?
Yes, Lordship. Petition number 1 is the victim, petition number 2 is the accused. Lordship, initially considering that the victim, petition
It's
number
a
1,
POXO matter.
it has been dropped. POXO has asked, the court may issue the notice to the victim
But that
family.
is case of POXO matter.
Your Lordship, in Jagdish Singh matter, Your Lordship, it was a general law, Your Lordship. It was not confined
But,
to.
the practice direction that has been issued
Yes, Your Lordship.
pursuant to Deepak Nayak
Yes, Your Lordship.
is pertaining to offences where I think POXO is.
Yes, yes, that is
right?
absolutely correct, Your Lordship. But so far as the Jagdish Singh matter is concerned, this is on basis on general law, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I would like to rely from paragraph 20 to 24, Your Lordship, which this judgment, paragraph 20 onward, Your Lordship.
Santosh, that office notification which I have given you in connection with Deepak Nayak, can you get that?
Yes, sir. So I have the, Your Lordship, judgment of the Deepak Nayak case
No,
also.
but there is a notification which has been issued by the Guwahati High Court
Yes.
pursuant to the practice directions
Yes, Your Lordship.
issued by the division bench.
Yes, Your Lordship. That is with me, Your Lordship.
have
I
the
have, yes, yes, yes.
Give me the notification.
Your Lordship,
This
Your-
I have seen. In fact, it so happened that I had assisted.
yes,
the
yes, Your
court
Lordship.
at,
Yes, Your Lordship was the then amicus curiae
Yes.
in that case matter, Your Lordship. But Your Lordship, so far as the general law is concerned, because
Just 1 second.
yes. In Your Lordship, the judgment of the Delhi High Court, wherein the mutatis mutandis, the guideline has been taken. There in the judgment, Your Lordship, the impleadment was not there, impleadment of the victim.
Because you see, there was no provision. for
Yes, exactly,
impleadment.
exactly, Your
But
Lordship.
what is required is that the participation.
Yes,
be
exactly, Your
there.
Lordship.
So
And-
inroads have been made.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Whereby the
And Your
victim-
Lordship, if participatory right has been recognized, then Your Lordship, without knowing that whether the case has been instituted before the court, how Your Lordship, the victim will exercise their participatory right. Your Lordship, I will read from para
Yes.
20, Your
Yes,
Lordship.
yes, please.
It is pertinent to mention that the legislature has thoughtfully given a wide and expansive meaning of the expression victim, which means a person who has suffered any loss or injury caused by reason of the act or omission for which the accused person has been charged, and the expression victim includes his or her guardian or legal heir. This court in Malikaranjan Kodagali versus State of Karnataka, while dealing with the question regarding a victim right to file an appeal under section 372 CRPC, observed that there was a need to give adequate representation to victims in criminal proceeding. The court therein affirmed the victim right to file an appeal against an order of acquittal. In so and so case, though the court was preliminary concerned with a different legal issues, it will be fruitful in the present context to take note of some of the observation made therein. 3. What
You
follow
see,
in editorial of
Mr. Ite,
Yes, Your Lordship.
in this case, the office memorandum does not make it mandatory
Yes.
for one to implead. in case of 376,
Yes,
correct?
yes, your lordship.
Now, in a given case, if a victim or informant comes before the court, obviously this court will.
Yes,
allow the
enter. Yes,
participation.
yes, your
But
lordship.
this is not a case where the victim has come forward, right?
Yes, but your lordship, the issue here is the participatory right has been recognized by the
That
co-
is true,
that
but
has been
you see,
recognized.
That is only when one comes forward.
Yes, your lordship.
Now, in this case, no one has come. So suo moto, why should this court call the victim?
Ye-
Because the notification is
Yes, sir.
only if you see the notification, in cases of bail, who is accused of an offense triable under section 3 of 376 or 376 AB or 376 DA or 376 DB of the IPC, the High Court or the Court of Session shall give notice of the application for bail to the PP.
Yes, your lordship.
Right?
Yes, your lordship.
Then number C, in every bail application, criminal appeal, criminal revision, criminal petition arising from cases involving offences under the POCSO Act.
Yes, your lordship.
And those covered by section 4391 capital A CRPC, the registry shall serve copy of such
Yes, your lordship.
petitions to the
if-
victim.
yes, your lordship.
Guardian support person. So this is related to only POCSO.
Yes, your lordship.
Now, since in this case, no one has come forward.
Yes, your
I
lordship.
think let
Your
it
lordship,
not-
even in the Deepak Nayak case, your lordship, the Bormoti Pangin matter was referred, your lordship. However, your lordship, the court has held that
This court appreciates your effort, Mr.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay.
Your lordship. For my satisfaction, your lordship, this is judgment of the this direction given by division bench of the Rajasthan High Court in light of the observation made by the Honorable Supreme Court in Jagdish Singh matter, your lordship. Your lordship may kindly see the paragraph 2 onward, your lordship. From the above, it can be inferred that the victim as defined under so and so has unbridled participatory
You see,
right.
that is why I'm trying to say, you
Yes.
are absolutely correct.
Yes,
There's
sir.
no quarrel about
Yes, yes,
the
your lordship.
proposition that you are submitting.
Yes, your lordship.
Even in this case, if you see, it's saying from the above, it can be inferred that victim as defined under so-and-so has unbridled participatory rights from the stage of investigation till the culmination of the proceedings in an appeal or revision. Hence, we deem it proper to direct state authorities to intimate the victim about
Yes, yes.
filing so-and-so for so-and-so. Office is so-and-so. A copy of this we send so-and-so.
Here also your pour in para 4 it says even in
Now,
implement.
no, now, in this case, whether it is a 376 or it is a POCSO, how do we know?
This is a basing on the general, your lordship, general offense under your lordship IPC. It's not pertains to the POCSO.
All right. Today, let us not get into this.
Yes, your lordship.
If
My only your lordship concern was because there are so many your lordship victim who are not aware about the pendency of the appeal. Later after disposal they come to know.
you
Yes, sir.
can always
Yes.
inform the victim through the jurisdictional investigating
Yes, your
officer about the pendency of this case.
Yes, your lordship.
You can inform, and you can also, in that information, you may indicate that the victim, if wishes, can participate, and if required, legal aid counsels can be given.
Exactly,
You
your
can
lordship.
do that. You do that.
Lordship, but the issue here is the matter directly come and listed for the supplementary hearing without any order from the court for.
In the meantime, you can inform.
Okay.
You don't need an order. None appears for the applicant when the matter, appellant, when the matter is called today. Stop. Is the legal aid counsel interested or not interested? Or should we change the legal aid counsel?
Perhaps she was interested because maybe because of prior some engagement. Your lordship.
Let this appeal be relisted for hearing after 3 weeks
Yes, your lordship.
on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Yes, your
In
lordship.
the meantime, you inform,
Yes, your lordship.
and if the victim wishes, then on the next date you submit it.
Yes, yes, your lordship. But if it is reflected in the order, then
I don't want to go unnecessarily. You see, many times the victims may not come forward because
Yes,
the
your lordship.
376 matters
Yes,
are slightly different from the POCSO
yes, your
matters,
lordship. But
right? Now
in
here we don't know what is the status of the victim.
yes, your
She may
lordship.
have been remarried.
Yes, sir.
She may not be
But
comfortable to come forth and all.
yes, your
You
lordship.
inform if the victim wants, certainly this court will go into.
Yes, your
And
lordship.
if it was a POCSO matter, of course.
The
they
POCSO
would
matter
have
is
to
your
come.
lordship. Yes, it's already been
Notification,
settled. Yes,
and
it's
literally it has
yes,
to be served.
yes, your lordship.
All right.
Okay, deeply obliged.
Please, my lord, item 38, my lord.
We have already passed the order.
It is laid out with the same.
Matters cannot be so casually mentioned. There is I think in item 38, there was an interim order which has been vacated, right? In item 38, what is the order passed?
After 3 weeks.
Only that much.
Yes, Your Lordship.
When do you want it? If you have said none appears, then you record their presence and list after.
After my lord, on this,
List next week on a date to be fixed by the registrar.
Okay. Obliged, Your Lordship.
interim order.
Interim order, if any, you can.